Lots of parents are asking us at the moment, how can they confirm their school choices when they've only been able to visit virtually? It's really tricky, but we think, ask yourself, what are schools about? In our opinion, it's strong leadership, a head who shares the same ethos and education that you do, inspiring teachers who are going to help your children achieve their potential, and those opportunities outside the classroom where the children can develop their interests in art, drama, music, sport. What's the communication like on the child's progress with the parents? Now, as a parent looking at a school virtually, how do you understand that? Well, think of your child as an individual and put them at the centre of this question. Who are the key people that are going to help your child be happy and feel nurtured, support their interests and their education? Talk to them. So, if your child loves to play the piano, seek out the piano teacher. Or, if your child's a tennis player, speak to the sports coach and find out how much tennis they're going to have the opportunity to play. If you're worried that your child's going to struggle settling in, then have a word with the house mistress and the matron. If you start talking to these people now and building relationships, these conversations could really help you with your decision making. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask to talk to key people in the school. And there might even be opportunities to speak to current students. Ask them the questions about what really goes on. So, if you're struggling to make your decision without visiting, our advice is to have lots of conversations with those people that are going to be a key part of your child's life. Don't be afraid. Ask.